Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to reduce typing noise on RAZER BlackWidow V3 Mini. So, I have some tips for you. You have to use the O-rings. They are simple and effective. Buy rubber O-rings and install them under each keycap. Then dampen bottom out noise and reduce the clack. They are super cheap on Amazon and eBay. I bought the 50A hardness because the softer ones equals the quieter ones. Get 40A or 50A. Apart from that, the switch type matters. Yellow switches are linear and they are the quietest RAZER option. The green switches are loud, clicky, and replace if needed. If you have green switches and silence is crucial, consider switching to a quieter board or this lettering, which is advanced, and I would recommend doing that on your own. Apart from that, lube the switches. Advanced, but game changer. It reduces friction noise, requires removing keycaps and opening switches. Use Krytox 205G0 or a similar switch lubricant. Voice warranty if done wrong, not for beginners. Add dampening foam inside the case, disable all over RGB effects, and change your typing habits. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.